Biding my time, a simple guide to understanding patience in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often puzzles learners. I'm biding my time. It's a phrase that packs a lot of meaning into just a few words, and understanding it can add a rich layer to your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to make it crystal clear. At its core, biding my time means waiting patiently for the right moment to act. The key here is patience and strategic timing. It's not just waiting, it's waiting with a purpose. Imagine you're a chess player, waiting for the perfect moment to make a move that will help you win the game. That's exactly the kind of waiting we're talking about. Understanding where phrases come from can often help us grasp their meanings more deeply. The verb, to bide, means to wait or remain in a condition. Although it's not commonly used on its own in modern English, it survives in this phrase. The concept of biding one's time has been around for centuries, embodying the idea of waiting for the opportune moment. Now, let's see how to incorporate this phrase into your everyday English. Here are a few examples. I'm biding my time until the prices drop to buy a new laptop. She's biding her time before making a career move, waiting for the perfect job opportunity. We're biding our time, waiting for the market to stabilize before we invest. In each case, the speaker is waiting for the most advantageous moment to take action. There are situations in life where acting impulsively can lead to missed opportunities or mistakes. Learning to bide your time teaches the value of observation, patience, and strategic planning. Whether it's in your personal life, career, or studies, knowing when to wait and when to act is a valuable skill. Thank you for joining us for today's lesson on I'm biding my time. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and how you can use it to express patience and strategy in English. Remember, sometimes the best action is to wait for the right moment. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to bide your time when the situation calls for it. See you in the next video.